Here we have our project screen, where you can start a new project or manage your old ones. Click on the Create a New Project button, give it a name, click Create, and off we go. Now that we've created our project, Lightworks will open up into your workspace. The first thing we need to do is bring some footage into our project. For that, we need our libraries panel down here on the left, where we have some built-in integrations such as Amazing Music Tracks or Pond 5 that you can use to purchase stock footage and audio directly inside Lightworks. We just want to focus on our own footage for now though, so we will click on Local Files. This brings up a folder tree with our possible storage locations. Through this, I will navigate to the folders where I can see the clips I want to edit. These are folders I've created myself, but you can organise your footage however you'd like. Now you can import your footage directly from here, or we can double click into the folder. Either way, you will interact with the individual clips in the same way. You can click on a single clip, hold either Command or Control and click on multiple clips, hold Shift and click your first and last clip to batch select, or hold Command or Control and hit A to select all. Once you've made your selection, click Import, and there we go. Your footage has now been imported into your project and is ready to use. You can always get back to your footage easily by clicking Clips up here on the top left, and you can use this button here to switch between list or grid view depending on your preference. Now our footage is imported, we're ready to start editing.